Hi everyone, today we have the very last row. Actually, we're starting on this page of lost items from Rooms of Wonder, just trying to remember what it is. And we have a little rabbit to do, so should we get started? Now I'm thinking this is probably a cuddly toy, but it looks soft and fluffy from the way it's drawn, so I'm thinking maybe we should avoid the normal sort of rabbit colours and go for something a little bit different. But I'm going to start with a base of grey, and then I'm going to add a few other colours to the bunny. So I'm going to use number 83, which is our dove grey. It's quite a light grey. If you don't have this one, you can use 80 or just any other grey. Just use it lightly. We just want a little light layer, so we've not got a white background to start with, and you'll see why as I want to add some white pen later, and I don't want white showing through. So it doesn't matter if you add some texture like this, like it's furry, because that's what we're going to try and achieve. But I sort of want to try and get some grey down on all of it, but I'm not good enough at colouring to do that. There's bound to be little white gaps. So anyway, we'll see how it all goes. Now I'm in a bit of a quandary. I don't know whether to continue with this, with the facing page of this right away, or whether to do another little series first and then come back to this. I haven't decided yet. By the time this video goes out, I will probably have decided. But in the meantime, yeah, I'm thinking about it. I might put a little pole or something on there. This is number 6. This is a purple. I'm going to do some purple fur like this. So I'm doing little strokes. You need a sharp pencil. Don't worry about going out of the lines. It's fur. It's going to be going out slightly. It's a bit tricky doing this because you might think it looks a bit messy, but hopefully it'll all come together and work. So it's just at a messy stage, I hope. There's always a fine line with fur. Is it just look like scribble, or does it actually look like fur? Hopefully it will look like fur. I don't know why Bunny's got his eyes shut. But yeah, I'm assuming it's not a real rabbit in a lost property office sitting on a shelf. I'm not going to do a purple tail. I'm assuming it is a toy one. And that's why I thought sort of soft toy colour rather than a more realistic colour would sort of make sense. So lots of fur like that. I'm going to add a second colour in too. I'm going to use this one. Whoops, this is number 61. This is the is it called dark mauve? Yeah, and the other one was violet. Now I'm going to use this on top of the purple. It might not show up brilliantly, but hopefully it'll just add a different colour in there and some more lines, which will hopefully look even more furry. So I hope everyone's well, having a good day. It's very sunny here. I'm aware that the sun is going to creep across my page quite soon. I'm going to have to shut my blind for some of these videos. I'm going to probably work all the way along this line today. Yeah, it'll interfere a little bit, but never mind. But I've had quite an exciting morning already. It's only, what time is it? 20 to 10. I guess it's quite late. Castle Arts have invited me to join their collaboration, their collab or something they call it, I don't know. Anyway, which means that I am an affiliate effectively, so I get cash back on purchases which are completed through my affiliate link, which is nice, but I do anyway because I use Amazon links for them, which I'm an affiliate for, but you know. But they've also offered me a discount code for UK customers. I was in the process of contacting them to see whether that can be extended worldwide, because I know obviously I don't just have UK customers. Well, customers, I don't have customers, but I think you know what I mean. Number 21, it's a pale pink. It's actually called Light Rose. I'm going to use it here in the ear and on the tail, but I wanted the tail to be fluffy. So the code, if you put it in, you can only use it once, and it's Rachel Henson colouring, all in one word in capitals. I don't know if it has to be in capitals, but that's how they sent it to me, so I think it's sensible to use capitals. I'm going to use number 5, Sakura Gellyroll, to get some more fur. I think a thinner pen could work better, and I'm just going to go over everything with this. Not the inside of the ear, actually. So if you use the Rachel Henson colouring, all one word, capital letters, no U, with a U, sorry, oh my goodness, with a U, you can get 20% off your purchase. It's a once only offer, one use only, which means that, you know, obviously, if you're planning a purchase in the future or a big purchase, then that's the time to use it, you know. And so that's good. And they're also going to send me a free pack of pencils, which is nice. They asked me what I wanted. Now, I've got a lot of their pencils. People have sent me them, which is so very kind. And I had some vouchers and things for them, so I've got a lot. But what I decided to do was to get the 120 set. This pen isn't working. I haven't got any scrap paper. Hang on. Yes, I have. I've got a post-it here. There we go. It really isn't working. I can use a different one. So I thought what would be fun was if I got the 120 set of pencils, I can do a sort of comparison between the 72 that I've got and the 120, show you which ones are different in each. I might even do a chart. You know, I'm getting a bit chart orientated with which pencils are in which set. In fact, I think I've done one, haven't I? I think I might have done one. Anyways, trying to think. Yes, and then anyway, I'll work out. I'll let you know in a video as well which ones are different in the 120. I'm not sure how I'll put the video together, but I have to think. And then it will allow you to decide whether you think it's worth buying the extra big set. The problem with Castle is that you can't buy them open stock, so once you run a colour out, you can't buy just one replacement, which can be really annoying. So it's worth knowing, if you buy the 120 for example, there might be your favourite colour, there might be several that are similar to that colour, so it might be worth thinking about buying it just because you can get your favourite colour, a couple similar to your favourite. Do you see what I mean? I don't know. Right, we have a little string around the neck with the label, and I'm trying to work out, I want to use this nice light colour that I used in the ear, and I think I will just use it for this. I'm just going to use it quite dark rather than trying to worry about any shading because it's really small, and then I'm just going to colour this one in lightly. I'm not sure how much I like the colour of this rabbit now it's finished. But hey, it does look fluffy, which was the aim. So there it has that going for it. Looks a bit sad with his eyes shut, which is a shame. But anyway, there he is, all finished, our little rabbit. So thank you for watching. Come back tomorrow and we'll do this some fun little bracelet. But for now, thank you. Have a really lovely day and happy colouring.